Mars, sikat na sikat ngayon yung computer game na iDate, which is an online game.
Yeah, and to know more about the game, let's have here on stage our guests. Please welcome Miss Elijah Manlangit and April Hovenir. Let's give them a round of applause.
Okay, change stage.
So, how are you naman, girls?
Okay naman kami. So, alam niyo naman kung bakit kayo ngayon nandito, di ba?
Yes.
Kasi ngayon, ang dami nag-trend na computer games kasama dun yung iDate. Yun, so we're heard na player nga kayo ng game na yun.
Best players kayo. So, kamusta naman yung experience while playing the game? Hindi ba na-aapektahan yung studies niyo or other?
Hindi naman, kasi depende sa student kung kaya nila i-balance skills.
Yes, taray. Mabait na
Mga
estudyante. Yun. So, guys, paano ba tunuruin tong game na to?
And you can control the game using the arrow keys found in the right side of the keyboard. First thing, you're going to create a room. Then second, you're going to invite anyone or wait for someone who will or wants to join your game. You're going to choose a song you want and press start.
So ano yung kantang yun, ayun yung mismo yung game na habang naglalaro kayo?
Yeah, and are you going to choose or is there a particular song na yun lang yung pwede yung gamitin?
No, pwede kang mag-choose.
Ah, okay.
Maganda yung game.
So, ano pa?
Continue.
When the game starts, the control keys are the up, down, left, and right arrow keys. Each part has maximum of 3, minimum of 1 note.
So, mahirap ba yung game or hindi naman?
Sa una, there are choices on how you can play the game, which are normal mode, which you can play individual. By hunting mode, you can play with a partner.
So, thank you for your answers, girls, and thanks for letting us to have you here.
Yung
Yes.
paano yan.
So guys, yung mga players dyan, alam nyo na kung ano yung game ha, about.
Laro na kayo.
Yan,
Yeah.
laro na kayo.
Thank you, girls.
Thank you again for
Having here.
Yes,
Yes, for getting
thank you.
here. So, let's have a break. And, magbabalik ang mga... We're back. So, Mars, ang dami nating natutunan kanina, no?
Oo, sobrang nag-enjoy ako kasama sila kanina. Parang gusto ko ulit bumalik sa pagiging teenager para malaro yung game na yun.
True, parang napaka-interesting na game. So, anyway, let's now welcome our special guest, who's part of the publishing team of iDate Online Game Club. Please welcome Miss Julia Ann Magno. So, hi Miss Julia. Kamusta ka naman? Okay naman.
Yan. So, we have some question about yon yung iDate. Yung, di ba, kasama ka nga dun sa publishing team ng game na. So, yun. Tell us about iDate.
iDate is a game club's hottest online interactive dating game, infusing casual dating experience with music, dance, and competition.
So,
So,
yun
yun.
pala.
Ganun pala kung paano maglaro. So, paano naman, paano makuha yung game na yon? Paano download or install?
To install the game, once you've downloaded the client via iDate official website, click on Setup to begin installation. The iDate online setup wizard will appear. Click on Next to begin setup. Step 2, click on I agree if you agree with the terms and conditions of Game Club. Step 3, the setup wizard will install the Game Club launcher as well as the iDate online game client. Click on Next to continue. Step 4, click on Next to install iDate Online under Program File or Game Club Launcher. Click on Install to continue. Step 5, iDate Online will now begin installing the files. Step 6, once done, the wizard will show a window informing you that the setup is complete. Last but not the least, click on the iDate online icon on your desktop to launch the game.
So, thank you.
Or-
Pag nag-download po ba niyan, may
Is it free
buyer
or bayad?
payment yung mga ganun.
Kasi
Kasi
walang ganun.
Walang bayad. So, free siya.
Free siya.
Pero sa computer, depende.
computer game na siya.
So, di ba kailangan mag-create muna ng account to able
Proceed
to
with the
Oo.
game.
Yes.
So, paano siya laruin?
To play the game, basically, you start by making a profile, then building your reputation on the dance floor. After a while, you can start mingling with other players and gain friends who will help you boost your relationship and love meter. The eventual goal is to meet your match. That's all.
Yan. Thank you. Ang galing.
No, thank you, ma'am.
True. So, yan guys.
Nakakaroon ng love life.
So guys, kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng love
Love
life,
life.
maglaro kayo ng iDate.
First na may video.
Yeah. So,
thank you po for
again. And
listening us.
thank you for watching, guys. See you again at magbabalik